Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Fire and Nice. So if you guys watched my live, you know that I'm changing my schedule around a little bit. For those of you that have not seen my live, I'll just quickly reiterate. I'm changing my schedule around a little bit as far as uploading and stuff. So I'm going to continuously not upload on Sundays. It has been to where I've only been not uploading like 2 Sundays a month, but I'm going to be more consistent with not uploading on Sundays. And then it's rolling around to winter, so I don't do as many food vlogs. Saturdays are strictly reserved for food vlogs. So if there is no food to vlog, then there will also not be a video on Saturday. I also decided that I'm only going to go live no more than twice a month. Once a month for myself, whether it be a get ready with me or just a sit and chill sort of a thing with you guys. And then maybe one time a month when Diana is here if she wants to do a challenge or something like that. So I also mentioned in that live that I am cutting back on a few boxes. So this is my last Fire and Nice box. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. Also, there's a giveaway going on that is linked down below, and there's other information down there if you guys want it. So I think that's all for my schedule. I think so. Also, there's a collab coming up really soon. I forgot to mention that. I did mention that in my live as well. Have a collab coming up. Me and 6 other YouTubers have gotten together, and we are doing a collab with ColourPop palettes and Halloween looks. So I think it'll be super fun. And that's coming up this Friday. There's also a giveaway that's going to be added into that, or that is with that, in addition to my other giveaway that's already going on. But anyway, so let's get into Fire and Nice. So I open it up, and this is kind of what I see. I open it up further, and it's pretty fall. Now, I don't remember what is in this box. I just know that it doesn't stand out to me as much as some of my other boxes, so this is one of the boxes that I did cut. I was about to say cut from my regimen, but I mean, I guess I could still say from my regimen. I mean, I guess it still kind of makes sense. One of the boxes I cut from my many, many boxes. So that is a really pretty fall, real pretty fall theme going on. Let's see. Okay, and this tells you what you get. There are 2 boxes. I'm pretty sure that I was corrected once before. I do get the mini box. Fire and Nice was kind enough to jump in my comments to let me know that that was that. And you know, I'm not quitting this box for any other reason than I just get too many boxes, and there are just other boxes that I love much, much more. Okay, so let's dig into this. So the first thing I am pulling out is a Crackling Bonfire Bath Bomb. And I don't really smell anything through the plastic, so I'm not sure what that smells like. Let's see, digging in here further, I've got Sweater Weather, it says. What is that? Okay, let me look on the list here. These are wax melts. I don't use wax melts. Is it? Oh, well, I was just going to open it and sniff it, but it feels like it's sealed. Oh wait, no, it's not sealed. Okay, so I don't know what that smells like. It's not bad. I mean, it's okay, but I am going to just close that back up and I will pass that along because I do not use wax melts. We're candle freaks though, but I've never used a wax melt. And, oh, and a candle, yay. So we have Fireside Marshmallow. Oh, that smells so good. I do like that. That smells really, really good. Okay, so that I'm going to keep. The next thing I am pulling out is toasted marshmallow lip oil. Let's see. I will keep that. I will definitely keep that. It smells good too. It smells like toasted marshmallow. And the last thing I am pulling out is a caramel latte fizzy bath salt. And I will keep that too because you guys know I'm always down for bath products. Okay, so just to recap real quick, because I know that there was some interruptions that you probably won't notice because I'll cut out, but just to recap, we got 2 ounces of fizzy bath salts that should smell like a caramel latte. I can't smell it through the packaging. No, I can't smell it through the packaging. We got a crackling bonfire bath bomb. Can't really smell that through the plastic either. We got wax melts that I'm just going to pass along. We got a lip oil that I am super excited to use and try, and then also a fireside marshmallow candle that I'm looking forward to burning. Okay, you guys, so that was Fire and Ice, and again, like I said, unfortunately, this is my last Fire and Ice, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.